Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan, and today I'm going to be bringing you a hair video. If you see my hair like this, edge is not laid. My hair in this specific pigtail style, that means my hair is washed, deep conditioned, trimmed, and ready to put into braids. I'm going to be doing basically the style of the summer, literally boho knotless braids with like, I've done them before, but this time it's going to be a different like curl pattern on like the boho pieces, and I'm really excited to share that with you. This video is sponsored by HOTBRAIDS. I'm going to be using their bundles for this style, and let me show you guys everything that I got in my package.
In my package, I received these beautiful deep wave bundles. I actually ordered 4 bundles in total, I believe, and they were 22 inches, super soft and also easy to detangle, which is important if you're using this for braiding. I also received a box with all the tools and accessories needed to create a beautiful hairstyle: clips, rat tail comb, edge brush, everything.
This is how the bundles look. This is a deep wave texture, and I really like how soft they are, and I'm so excited to use this in my style. I usually use much curlier bundles, but I thought to make it just a bit more effortless and boho, I wanted to try looser curls to see what it's giving. I also obviously chose this color just so that it can match my hair, not the roots obviously, but the rest of it. And yeah, the hair comes unwefted, which is what you need when you're doing boho styles. You don't really want hair that's on a track, because you have to cut them and it's a whole thing. So it's good that they came exactly like this. And also it's super organized because each bundle that you see here is divided into 2 smaller bundles, just so it's easier to work with.
Here you guys can see me with a couple of braids in my head. These are basically just different size braids that I told my braider to do, just so I can see which size I prefer and then go on from now. Now I've decided to put a real-time clip at the beginning of this video, just for those of you who are watching this to learn the technique and also to see how like they put the human hair pieces into the braid. I have left this is in real time, so you're gonna see my braider actually doing it from start to finish.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through?
At this point, they were getting to the top of my head, and that's really like my sore spot on my head. So I had to really lock in and let her do her thing. But the braids were coming out really nice at this point, and I was happy with it. So yeah, this is me posing. And as you guys can see, we reached the top of my head. I asked for a middle part, obviously. And here she is just going through. At the end of the service, my braider went ahead to trim some of the hair just to get everything even.
So guys, I am done braiding. This is how the braids came out. This is how it looks in like a ponytail, but it might be too heavy to do a ponytail for me. The bundles themselves are like not tangly at all, like I can easily run my fingers through it. Super easy to use, even my braiders like really like them. So shout out to Hot Braids for sponsoring this video. I will have the link to this hair in the description down below. This is 22 inches and perfect for summer. I also want to give a big shout out to Yvonne for letting me use his studio. I will be coming back here I'll be back here a lot for the next video that you guys are going to watch, so stay tuned on my channel for all of that. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.